And also, I gotta show you my favorite hoodie. This is at Big R Motorsports. Shout out to Chip. I bought this thing, and this thing is pretty sweet. He has a bunch of like SVO parts and 2-3 parts. But I seen this jacket, and this is probably like my favorite emblem ever. So yeah, if you guys either want that or a bunch of 2-3 parts, definitely check out his website. It's Big R Motorsports. So yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. It's got that on the back, and then let's see here on the front. It's got this right on the front here. Nice, simple, clean, cool looking jacket. So I'm gonna repaint my valve cover, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I do. So first we're gonna remove the paint. You can get aircraft remover at any AutoZone. It's relatively cheap. So we're just gonna spray it on here, and what this does, this just basically eats away the paint. Makes it a lot easier than sanding it. Now I'm just spreading the aircraft remover just to get it all in the creases and all over the paint, so it comes off easily and gets in all those little creases up front, especially near the lettering. You should probably wait about 30 minutes before you peel it. They want you to wait 2 hours, but you could probably get away with 30 minutes like I did. Oh, now we're just gonna scrape all the paint off. I use a metal brush because it really gets in like those letters and creases really good. Now I'm just gonna degrease it and get all the grease off of it. You want to make sure you do that, because if you paint it and there's still grease and oil on it, you're gonna waste your whole time. It's just the paint's gonna come right off. So now I'm just using 320 sandpaper, and I'm doing this on the lettering because I want to get them nice and shiny. So when I put tape over it and peel it off, that it's still going to be nice and shiny, and it'll go good with the purple that I'm going to put on this. You want to make sure you sand it down really good. You can see I went through it a few times because I wanted it pretty shiny and clean. So now we're gonna hit it with the primer. Now that all the grease is off, this is high heat. You want to use that on any like engine parts that get hot, obviously. I've had some pretty good results with this. It lays on pretty nice, pretty easy to use. It has instructions on the back, tell you how far to keep your hand away. So that's the first coat. Now this is the second coat, and the second coat goes on a little bit thicker, and I only did 2 coats of the primer. Just as instructions on the can. And this is the end result. This is just the primer, just to get the paint to stick to it really nice. It came out really good. A lot better than it was. The thing was pretty ugly before. So laying the first coat of purple, I had no idea how it was going to turn out. It was just kind of like a last minute thing, decided to go with purple. So you want to lay 3 coats and wait 10 minutes in between your coats. So you guys can watch me. I'm not gonna lie, the first coat, I thought the paint was gonna look really ugly, but after I got to the second coat, it started cleaning up really nice, as you can see. And the purple, it actually ended up coming out really good. So you guys can watch and see how I lay it on. You just want to make sure that you keep a nice, steady, and even spray on it so that the paint will come out good and not look like a raggedy spray paint. So now I'm taking off the tape that I put over the lettering, and I'm doing this when the paint's wet so it comes off cleaner. I use a razor just to pick it up because obviously you don't want to touch it with your fingers while it's wet. But yeah, just get a razor, something that's like real precise that you can, you know, see what you're doing instead of just going in there with your hands or something. So I'm just laying the gloss here, and I'm not gonna lie, the purple on this valve cover came out really good. It looks so much better than I thought it was gonna look, and it's really good for a spray paint. You know, honestly, if I seen it, I wouldn't think that it's spray painted. I would think that it's actually, you know, powder coated or something.